Hi, it's Jeff Dodd in New Zealand here. Here's my review of Here's Your Leads. As an affiliate marketer, I was frustrated and tired of spending more than I got back in commissions. I desperately needed more leads for my business. In Here's Your Leads, I found they were ex-advertising agency professionals. They'd been advertising for decades in 6,000 small country newspapers, the New York Times, Chicago Tribune, Miami, Los Angeles, and I realized they had huge, massive experience. As an affiliate, maybe they could start solving my problem of frustration with always spending more than I got back in commissions. Here's an email I got from Frank Trueblood of Here's Your Leads. So you don't just get leads, you get a complete automated income generating system that does the work for you. There's no selling required, no recruiting, just results and real income potential. Yes, it's all done for you automatically. You enter free, start with a $10 pack, and the best part is you can make 50% true recurring residual income on your referrals. Think about that, 50% recurring lifetime commission. So here's the video that the company itself supplies you.
Welcome to Here'sYourLeads.com, plus a substantial ongoing monthly income. What's the one thing that every business owner and every online marketer needs? They need leads. Yes, high-quality, inexpensive leads, like the kind Here'sYourLeads.com delivers for you. That's right, 100% done for you. But besides initially sending out your leads for you, we even do 100% of the follow-up for you. And if that wasn't enough, we also pay our affiliates a full 50% on every lead package that their referrals purchase. Plus, we also have 8 different lead packages that start at just $10 a month, making it affordable for just about every person's pocketbook. Plus, there's even a way for you to get paid daily, some significant commissions like $150, $325, $525, and even as much as $750 a day on our one-time lead package purchases. So we invite you to finish taking a look at everything we have to offer you. Whether you're looking at having us email your leads and promote Here's Your Leads as your main program, or you want us to email your leads for another offer, we'd love the opportunity to help you put an end to your endless searching for a good, steady stream of high-quality, inexpensive leads. You simply order your leads and we do the rest for you. It just couldn't get any easier. And remember, the lead packages start at just $10. Plus, we've made it super easy for you to get started with our free sign-up with absolutely no setup fees. So go ahead and get your free account now to see all of the exciting details that we just didn't have time to cover here in this short video. And we'll see you in the members area.
Find the link below for more information and read the text area below this video. The First Millionaire blueprint finally makes sense to me. Are you ready to start receiving 100 to 10,000 leads a month and making 50% residual recurring lifetime earnings on them? Hey, you'll be laughing all the way to the bank like these lovely couples here.